This is Life Epistles, and we welcome you to the 19th episode. What we have been trying to do all this while is to bring to you detailed presentation about death, what happens before, during, and after. In today's episode, we are going to talk about journey of the spirit or the journey of the dead through the first, second, and third heavens. What are the questions we seek to answer? 1. What happens to the dead in the first, second, and third heavens? 2. Why should there be heavenly worlds? 3. Will every human being, after death, go through the first, the second, and third heavens? And 4. What happens after the heavenly worlds? Stay with us as we give you the answers.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.